Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to sign up for DoorDash. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser on your PC and type in the search bar of your browser DoorDash driver sign up. Then it will show you here these options. You'll have to click on DoorDash driver just right here, and after that it will show you here this button on the top right side. Click on sign up right here, then add here your postal code, then enter here the area that you need for your postal code, then click on next. After that you will have to provide your email address, and once you provide your email address and click on next, it will show you here this page. Now you'll have to provide your phone number and check this box. And now once you provide your phone number, you'll have here to enter your legal first name, legal middle name, legal last name, and type here your password and confirm it. After that you will have to click on continue. Now you will have to provide your vehicle. After you choose your vehicle type, you will have to add more and more information about your vehicle. And if you have a vehicle insurance, just check this box right here, then click on continue. And after that, you'll have to scan your driver's license. So click on continue. Then you'll have to take a photo of the front of your driver's license. So simply click on take a photo, or if you want to proceed on another device, click on continue on another device. And this step is only for making sure that this is you. Now I will click on continue on another device. Then I will choose the verification method on another device. I will simply choose send SMS. Then now I'll have to enter my phone number, then click on send secure link. And now it will show you here this message, check your device. And after doing this step of verification, you will see here this message. We have successfully verified your ID and facial scan. Click on continue. Then now you'll have to enter these data, the birth date, social security number, and confirm your social security number, driver's license state, and driver's license number. And after that, you'll have to check if that your info is correct or not. And if you want to receive a copy of your background check report, you can simply click on this check button, then click on continue. After that, it will show you here the process of your administration and signing up. Then once you are a Dasher, you will see here this page congratulating you that you are officially a Dasher. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.